Not long ago, I recorded a video all about how to redirect a user once they'd submitted a form on Squarespace. What I hadn't done in the past, which is weird, is showed you just how to change the text. So what I want to do in this video is rectify that and show you, if you don't want to redirect someone, you just want to say thank you, but maybe give it a bit more context, then you can add that text into your post form submission text. So this is how you do that. So let's say, we're here on the site, and what we want to do first is add our form in. So add a block, find your form, pop that in. You can style this however you want. It doesn't really matter in this case. But if we go into design, let's just get rid of edit form field, sorry. We'll get rid of subject and name. Size that, let's say we've got a lovely form now. But when we submit, or when a user submits the form, it's just like, oh, hey, thank you. Well, let's see what it says. Post submit, thank you. It's a bit weak. So all you need to do, I've just showed you how to do it without even explaining it, but double click on the form, go into post submit, and here you can see the message. So you can change this to whatever you want. Maybe, you just want to give it more context. So, hey, thanks for submitting your form. This has been received and will be looked at by a member of staff within 48 hours. Just give a little bit more context to what they're actually seeing. Because I used to have people submit a form on my site and they'd be like, I wasn't sure whether it's actually submitted, because they didn't notice there was just a small thank you up at the top. So I added in a form submission text, and what I actually did after that was I went into post submit and I redirected them to a page, like to a thank you page, which is useful. If you want to see a video on that, it's on my channel, go and check it out. But for now, if you want to do message, you can do that. You can align it however you wish. You can position it within the block, which is actually pretty neat and tidy. If you want to put some code in there, you can do that too. And obviously you can format the text however the heck you want. So that is that. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.